So firstly, I think it's important to understand that where this industry comes from, and I'm speaking broadly about the cannabinoid industry, is an unregulated market, and it's still highly unregulated. We, to this day in the United States, don't have consistency of regulations between the federal level and the state level, and different states or even different local jurisdictions within states are often adopting their own rules. So the regulatory landscape is a bit of a mess. And what that means is nobody is actually providing consistent oversight of the broader industry. Where does this come into play? Well, it comes into play in terms of the consistency and repeatability of products. If you're a consumer, you take something, it helps make you less anxious, you'd like to know that you're going to have the same effect the next time. And what we see, so a couple things that are important there. One, that everything is made to at least food grade GMP standards, and that stands for good manufacturing procedures, and it's that things are done to the standard that consumers expect in the world of consumer packaged goods. The other aspect of this is as more and more mainstream companies come in to this industry or start to make products in this industry. So if Coca-Cola were to decide to make a mainstream beverage with a cannabinoid in it, they need absolute consistency and predictability batch to batch. And so for that, there needs to be very tight control over the size of the batches, the quality of the batches, the specification set. And in many cases, that is easier to obtain if you are leveraging biosynthesis and chemical synthesis outside of the plant. And I'm not going to say always, because CBD, we've gotten very good at extracting it from the plant and making a very pure isolate. But a lot of the other compounds, the rare earth cannabinoids, it becomes very important to employ these other modalities.